Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Society of Surgeons Pakistan Rawalpindi Islamabad chapter organized an international surgical conference on 10th and 11th February 2024. The theme of the conference was Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Surgery. President of the Society Professor Muhammad Hanif and members of the organizing committee invited President CPSP Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal as the chief guest of the inaugural ceremony and Dr. Narendra Pinto, former President of the College of Surgeons Sri Lanka and former President of SAG Surgical Care Society as the guest of honor. Eminent surgeon academicians from all over the country and SAG region, including Professor Sunil Sharma, President of SAG Surgical Care Society, Professor Romeo, President of Nepal Society of Surgeons, Senior Vice President CPSP Professor Dr. Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, Director General Medical Education and past President of the Society of Surgeons Pakistan Professor Dr. Amir Zaman Khan, Director General National Residency Program Professor Mahmood Ayaz, CPSP Council members Professor Abrar Ashraf Ali, Major General Wasim Khan, past President of the Society of Surgeons of Rawalpindi Chapter Professor Musaddiq Khan, Professor Asif Zafar, Professor Azam Yusuf, Professor Naeem Zia, and past President of SAG Surgical Care Society from Pakistan, Professor Abdul Majid Chaudhary, heads of institutions including Professor Muhammad Iqbal and Professor Muhammad Amir, graced the international mega event. Organizing Secretary Professor Waqar updated the activities of the society, followed by the welcome address by Professor Muhammad Hanif, Chairman of the Organizing Committee. Guest of honor Professor Narendra Pinto, while addressing the audience, specially mentioned his association with the College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, its current President Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, Professor Amir Zaman Khan, and Professor Abdul Majid Chaudhary. The chief guest, President CPSP Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, thanked and appreciated Professor Muhammad Hanif, President of the Society, and members of the Executive Committee for organizing the international mega event in the befitting manner. He updated the House on CPSP's national and international contributions, especially with reference to artificial intelligence, online examination e-portal system, monitoring and establishment of simulation labs at every center, including fundamentals of endoscopic surgery and fundamentals of laparoscopic surgery. He highlighted the future vision, the establishment of the artificial intelligence departments in every institution, including robotic surgery. The keynote address in the inaugural session was delivered by Professor Sunil Sharma, President of SAG Surgical Care Society and Director General National Residency Program and Vice Chancellor, King Edward Medical University, Professor Dr. Mahmood Ayaz. Both honorable speakers highlighted the role of artificial intelligence in the field of medicine. Professor Mahmood Ayaz shared his experience of robotic surgery and appreciated the efforts of the team, especially Professor Waris Farooqa, one of the lead team members in the introduction and establishment of robotic surgery. He mentioned the postgraduate program in the robotic surgery and the training of young surgeons in this innovative technology. The ceremony concluded with the vote of thanks by Principal Shifa Medical College, Professor Muhammad Amir, followed by the souvenir presentation to the speakers, members of the organizing committee, foreign dignitaries, guests of honor, and the chief guest. The conference will help in highlighting the importance of artificial intelligence in surgical and allied specialties, establishing departments of artificial intelligence in tertiary care centers. Thank you.